I'm diving into the world of AI investing and challenging myself to uncover the secrets you need to know right now. AI is transforming the investing landscape at a rapid pace, and it's crucial we adapt to this new reality. The sheer complexity of financial markets, combined with the ever-growing amount of data, makes it increasingly difficult for humans to make sense of it all. That's why AI is no longer a nice-to-have, but a must-have for investors seeking a competitive edge. Without AI, investors often find themselves drowning in a sea of information, struggling to separate the signal from the noise. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. The data is coming at you fast, and it's hard to know what to focus on. This can lead to analysis paralysis, where investors spend so much time analyzing data that they miss out on timely investment opportunities. Inefficient decision-making is another major challenge investors face without AI. Humans are prone to biases, and our emotions can often cloud our judgment. Fear and greed are common pitfalls that can lead to impulsive decisions, causing investors to buy or sell at the wrong time. Meanwhile, AI systems can process vast amounts of data objectively, unaffected by emotions and biases. Further complicating matters is the speed at which markets move. News and events can impact stock prices in a matter of seconds, making it impossible for humans to react quickly enough. AI, on the other hand, can analyze news feeds, social media, and other data sources in real time, providing investors with the insights they need to make informed decisions before the market responds. AI tools and strategies can be a game changer for investors. Predictive analytics, for instance, can help identify patterns in the market that may not be immediately apparent to humans. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI systems can predict the likelihood of certain events occurring, such as a stock reaching a certain price, or a company's earnings surpassing expectations. Automated trading is another powerful AI application in investing. By setting specific parameters and rules, AI systems can execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, often at fractions of a second. This not only saves time, but also reduces the likelihood of human error, ensuring that trades are executed accurately and efficiently. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another AI strategy worth exploring. By analyzing vast amounts of unstructured data, such as social media posts, news articles, and company reports, AI systems can identify sentiment and trends that may not be reflected in traditional financial metrics. This can provide investors with a more comprehensive view of a company's prospects, enabling them to make more informed decisions. One compelling case study that showcases the power of AI in investing is that of a fund manager who used machine learning to identify undervalued stocks. By analyzing a vast data set of financial metrics, news articles, and social media posts, the AI system was able to identify a pattern of undervaluation in a particular sector. The fund manager then used this insights to invest in the identified companies, resulting in a significant increase in returns over the next quarter. What's remarkable about this case study is the speed and accuracy at which the AI system was able to identify the undervaluation. Humans would have taken weeks, if not months, to analyze the same data, and even then, they may have missed the pattern. The AI system, on the other hand, was able to provide actionable insights in a matter of days. This success story highlights the potential of AI to revolutionize the world of investing. By leveraging AI tools and strategies, investors can gain a competitive edge, make more informed decisions, and ultimately achieve greater returns. In conclusion, AI is no longer a luxury in investing. It's a necessity. By understanding the challenges of investing without AI, exploring the various AI tools and strategies available, and learning from success stories, investors can unlock the full potential of AI in their investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI and investing in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on investing and technology.